Today I'm going to be reviewing Techphardo's 1 gallon slobber stopper water bowl for dogs. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. This is what it looks like. It's a really good idea. 1 gallon here, food safe materials. So the way it works is this is going to keep the dog from splashing. There's another piece in there and you fill it up, and then the dogs are going to be able to drink out of this little area here. I'm going to fill this up. Let's go ahead and check it out and see if Roomba, or my other dog, will drink out of it. All right, so now I'm just going to fill it up. As you can see, this bottom piece in there is going to raise up. If you have a dog that splashes a lot, you won't fill it up as much. So it is very easy for them to use. And you can see, no way that there's going to be water spilling out. This does really well on Amazon. It gets 4.5 stars, and last month 200 plus of these were bought. Really easy, simple, great idea. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.